Hi everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can learn any of the programming language for free and easily. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the Google search icon and type Geeks for Geeks and press enter. Geeks, and now scroll down to find the official site of Geeks for Geeks and then click on this website. Now you see it is opened. Sign up. Now sign up to save your progress. I was signed up. It is updating. Skip this paragraph. And now you can start learning any of the programming language by clicking on the top left 3 lines, and now click on the language title. Now you can see various types of programming language such as C, C++, Java, Python, C#, etc. So if you want to learn Python, just click on the Python title. Now you can start your journey to Python. So here is everything for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.